What a super fun and clean vehicle this 2022 Ford F-450 is. I am super excited to go over this build because I know a lot of you guys have been waiting on it. We've been doing teasers on our Instagram and our Facebook pages as well as TikTok, and we're finally here to show it off. What we're gonna start off with is the exterior components of the vehicle. I really wanna show off the custom paint our Krietz Customs paint team did. I think you guys are going to love the way they did the grill aesthetics, and then also the bumper and the different areas for the front area. So starting off with the grill, you guys can see that if you're looking from like back where you guys are, it's pretty much just gloss black. But if you actually get a close-up of it on the insert parts of the grill, it's still that sweet body color. And it kind of breaks up that all chrome look that the Super Duties come with, especially on the Platinum. As you can see with the Ford emblem on the front, we did take it apart as well. We did do the, where the Ford emblem is blue, we took it and did the body color of the vehicle, and then kept the trim and the actual Ford itself, that gloss black, to match that grille insert. On the front end down here, you can see that the front bumper as well as the front step pads are also the body color, and they broke it up with this gloss black trim piece around where the tow hooks are on the front bumper. Have you come all the way down here to the plastic valance, they did color match that to the body color with that silver. So I think the front end is super clean with that gloss black again and silver all just meshed together. All right, coming over here to the side badges, you have your F-450 badge. They did the body color around the exterior portion of it. Now it does come with that matte black, kind of like the step pads do. So they did gloss it and then finish it over. And then here with the Platinum, it is the gloss black, and then they replaced the F-450 badges with the all black as well to kind of break up that package assembly. Now your mirror caps here are also custom color matched as well. You can see this is the body color, and then to break up that silver, just like on the fender badges, you have your top portion of the mirror cap that's gloss blacked out, and then your assembly over here is also color matched to the vehicle to get rid of that kind of matte black color. Coming down here to your badges, you have your Power Stroke and your 6.7 liter badge. That one is also body colored. And then we added our KC badge because it's a Krietz Customs build, of course. We need to put our brand on every truck we do. This is the gloss black badge. Coming over here to our door handles as well are color matched to the vehicle. We did keep the lock button open. As you guys can see, if you just hit it, it locks it and unlocks it as long as you're close enough with the key. You guys can see your mirror caps are folding in. And then again, when you get close to it, just wanted to show you that down here on our actual running board, you guys can see that we took the chrome away on the outside portion of where that trim piece is. We did put a vinyl wrap over it just to kind of get rid of all chrome on this F-450. On your door trim here, this does come in that chrome finish. We did wrap that with that vinyl wrap as well to get rid of all the chrome. Coming back to the rear of the vehicle, you guys can see the rear bumper was also color matched with that silver. Your actual step pads, they are that kind of rugged matte finish. And this was painted over as well to match the body of the vehicle. Now the back part is what I absolutely love, is that they took this Platinum and the Super Duty and they actually kind of taped out the letters itself, and they just kind of painted over the lettering so that way it gives it a little pop, and you guys can see the Platinum and the Super Duty on the back part of the tailgate. And then they took away the Ford logos. Again, same thing with the front of the vehicle. They took it apart and they did the Ford in black around with the oval, and then your blue comes to that silver body color as well. And then your actual tailgate hatch here, this is also that gloss blacked out, you know, again, to break up that silver and give it a little pizzazz and pop. What's a cool fun thing you can do as well is you can smoke out your tail lights and your headlights. You either smoke them out with a paint film or you can actually put tint on them as well. Just kind of depends on your style. So they did take these apart, taped them off, and you guys can see the trim on the outside pieces as well as your blind spot radar here on the inside is color matched to the vehicle. So you definitely want to peep that, and maybe it's an option for your Super Duty, who knows? Now to the bread and butter of the build. You guys are watching this video for some reason, right? So let's go over the suspension, wheels, and tires. So Krietz Customs went ahead and added the 3.5 Stryker suspension kit. Now some upgrades we did add to this build are the radius arms. As you can see on the bottom portion of it, it's got the Stryker radius arms and it's got that nameplate on the sides of it. And then you also have your Fox shocks, the 2.0 shocks all the way around on the vehicle front and rear. And then we also added the adjustable track bar, you know, to help with the tightening of that steering. Coming down to your wheel and tire package. Now this is the American Force Doom, and this is going to be that gloss black and machine finish. You guys can see the rivets on the outside. It's the American Force logo, the big center cap that they're known for. And you guys also have the dually application in the rear. Again, this is 26 by 8 1/4. And then your tire is going to be a Fury Country Hunter MT, and this is going to be a 37/13/50/26. This is the perfect wheel and tire setup for this F450. There is some minimal trimming you do have to do in order to run this setup. Now you guys can see this is that minimal offset on the F450, so it pretty much sits flush with that fender. And as you can see on the rear wheels, it sticks out about 1.5 to 2 inches. So it's not crazy like some of the show truck builds. It's still usable. It's still able to tow. It still have its towing purposes. It's just the perfect setup for an everyday driver if that's what you're looking at doing. Now this is the perfect wheel and tire package for this F450, and it is a show stopper for sure. Whether you're using it to go get groceries, put your kids in the back, use it as a mall crawler, or even if you're using it for towing purposes with your fifth wheel, it's the perfect vehicle for you, and we're here for it, whatever you use the truck for. All right, guys, this was fun. Dually builds are my absolute favorite builds. If you guys like this and you want to see more stuff, drop them in the comments below. If you want to check out more videos, make sure you like and subscribe to Krietz Customs. And if you want to check out more details about this F450 and you want to purchase it, go to KreitzAuto.com. Check you later.